Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at an old video I did a very long time ago. It's making mince pie shells. In the video I show you how I get the base of a mince pie. First thing we do is pour all our ingredients into the bowl. That's the flour and the fat. Then we crumb it up so it's all nice and fine. Which is just about ready now. Now we mix our sugar and our water together. And we add it into the mixture. You keep this mixing round on first speed, and it usually takes around about 2 minutes, give or take. Now this is making this into like a firm dough, but it's not a bread dough. It's more like, well, basically a paste. There you go. It's actually a paste, and that's just ready, that is. And it just pulls apart nice and easy. Yeah, lovely. So the next thing we need to be doing is doing our pastry shells. First I'll load up the foils with pastry. It is a bit of an ominous job, but somebody has to do it. This is the first job I did in the bakery when I was a kid. And that takes me back a very long time ago. Now I'm getting the dye out the oven. Now this is red hot. This has been in there for about 2 or 3 hours. Oops, I nearly dropped it. It's because it's that hot and you've got to fit it on. And this machine itself is over 150-year-old. And basically you pull down the handle and then you move the lever. And it's all in one action, and that makes your little mince pie shell. Or it could be a jam tart shell. Very simple and easy job. And you can see why they would give this to a 16-year-old or a 15-year-old. Or if you were a Saturday morning boy, a 13-year-old, because that's what we used to do when we used to be kids. We'd be going in and stamping up the mince pies ready for Christmas, for the bigger bakers to come in and fill. And there we go. It is that simple. And in the bakery at the time I would be making probably around about 4,000 or 5,000 of these. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!